Why are birds suddenly falling from the sky? They were flying one moment and falling the next. Across the world, Mexico, India, the US, flocks of birds have been found collapsing mid-flight, hundreds at a time. Experts say it might be air pressure, pollution, maybe a rare weather event. But some believe they're sensing something deeper, something we can't see. Are they victims of 5G interference, geoengineering, Earth-shifting magnetic field? Birds have always been messengers, but now, are they warning us? Why do you think they're falling? Comment your theory below. Follow at Bilingual Chill for more mysterious signs.